Traveling is an adventure that broadens horizons and creates lasting memories, but it can also be physically demanding. Navigating unfamiliar environments, different time zones, and varied culinary temptations can take a toll on your health. In this guide, we'll explore 3 crucial tips on staying healthy while traveling. From keeping yourself well hydrated to maintaining a balanced diet and ensuring you get the restful sleep you need, these practices will help you make the most of your journeys, ensuring that health remains at the forefront of your travel experience. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration risks. Traveling can put you at an increased risk of dehydration due to various factors. On long flights, the controlled cabin environment with low humidity can cause moisture loss from your skin and respiratory tract. Similarly, hot and dry climates can lead to excessive sweating and fluid loss, exacerbating the risk. Importance of hydration. Hydration is not only about quenching your thirst, it plays a fundamental role in your body's functioning. Water is involved in various physiological processes, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, eliminating waste products, and maintaining blood pressure. When you're dehydrated, these processes can be compromised, leading to discomfort and potential health issues. Practical steps. Carrying a reusable water bottle is a practical solution to ensure you have access to water throughout your journey. Most airports and travel destinations offer water fountains or refill stations where you can replenish your bottle. Aim to drink water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty, as thirst is not always a reliable indicator of hydration status. Additionally, avoiding excessive consumption of alcohol and caffeine is advisable since they can act as diuretics, increasing fluid loss. 2. Maintain a balanced diet. Dietary challenges while traveling. Traveling often presents dietary challenges, such as limited healthy food options at airports or the temptation to indulge in local delicacies that may be high in calories, salt, or sugar. Irregular meal times and jet lag can also disrupt your eating habits.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
Balanced diet benefits. A balanced diet provides your body with a wide range of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are essential for optimal health. Fruits and vegetables offer vitamins and antioxidants, while lean proteins provide amino acids necessary for tissue repair. Whole grains supply complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, and healthy fats support various bodily functions. Practical tips. To maintain a balanced diet while traveling, plan your meals and snacks in advance. Look for restaurants or food vendors that offer nutritious options, and read menus carefully. Opt for grilled or baked items instead of fried foods, and choose salads or vegetable-based dishes when possible. Be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overeating, especially if you're trying local cuisine. Carry healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or dried fruits to curb hunger between meals. 3. Prioritize rest and sleep. Impact of sleep on health. Sleep is a fundamental component of overall health and well-being. While traveling, especially across time zones, disruptions in your sleep patterns can have significant consequences. Lack of adequate sleep weakens your immune system, impairs cognitive function, and can lead to fatigue and irritability. Maintaining sleep patterns. To mitigate the effects of jet lag and erratic schedules, Try to stick to a regular sleep routine as closely as possible. This includes going to bed and waking up at consistent times, even if it means adjusting to a new time zone. Allow your body time to adjust gradually by exposing yourself to natural daylight in the morning and avoiding bright screens before bedtime. Sleep aids. When sleeping in unfamiliar or noisy environments, consider using sleep aids like earplugs to block out noise, an eye mask to create darkness, or noise-canceling headphones to reduce disturbances. These tools can help you achieve better sleep quality and duration. Screen time awareness. The blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, and laptops can disrupt your sleep patterns by inhibiting melatonin production. To improve your sleep quality, limit screen time before bedtime or use blue light filters on your devices. In the midst of exploration and discovery, your health should never take a back seat. These 3 tips on staying healthy while traveling, staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet, and prioritizing rest and sleep are your trusted companions on the road. They will not only safeguard your well-being, but also enhance your travel adventures. So, embrace the world with vigor, knowing that these simple yet powerful practices will keep you fit and ready to savor every moment of your journey. Safe travels and good health. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.